All-weather tires have been gaining popularity in recent years, particularly in areas that tend to get harsh weather like snow and rain in certain seasons. However, I'm sure there's still a lot of confusion for you and your customers about how these tires differ from all-season tires, especially with names so similar and not a lot of explanation up front about their differences. Let's talk about what makes all-weather tires unique and how they compare to other types of tires. As a tire dealer or shop owner, you of course want to jump on the success of the growing all-weather tire segment. However, before that, you need to start by understanding the nuances of the all-weather segment, as well as how to provide customer education when they ask questions about the best fit for their next set of tires. All-weather tires are designed to be a year-round driving option, depending on where the customer lives, which is reinforced by being certified with the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake 3PMS emblem. Unlike all-season tires, which aren't suitable for sustained use in temperatures below 45 degrees, all-weather tires remain soft in cold temperatures while still performing well in wet and hot conditions. To be able to perform in these conditions, manufacturers develop all-weather tires with tread compounds that may sacrifice some longevity compared to all-season tires. For example, all-weather tires often feature an asymmetrical tread pattern to optimize traction and handling in different conditions. The inside of the tire is heavily siped and designed to handle snow, slush, and standing water, while the outside more closely resembles an all-season tire. One key aspect of understanding all-weather tires is recognizing the difference between the MS, mud and snow, and 3PMSF designations. The NS marking, often used on all-season tires, indicates a tread pattern, compound, or structure engineered for better performance in snow conditions than a standard tire. However, the 3PMSF symbol represents a more stringent winter use certification, identifying tires that can perform to a minimum legal level in severe winter weather conditions. If you want to successfully help customers understand a potential all-weather tire purchase, you should base your recommendation on their specific vehicle application and their personal needs. To do this, ask questions about the customer's driving habits, typical weather conditions, and performance preferences. If your customer lives in an area with mild winters, regular rainfall, or both, all-weather tires could be the perfect fit for them. You should also explain the economic convenience and safety benefits of all-weather tires. Depending on the area your customers live in, seasonal tire changes may not be needed anymore, which could be a major motivator for them. Just make sure that your customers understand that all-weather tires are not a replacement for winter tires, especially if they live in an area that gets a lot of snow. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.